Welcome to the channel. Over at my brother's house today on a Saturday. Yesterday was freaking 88 degrees and today is fucking 57. What the fuck, you know? Cold. New York weather. Anyway, my brother got a few more items for his bike and his Honda Goldwing. So we'll see what he's got. Alright, the first item he's got, passenger armrests for the Goldwing from Goldstrike. Right. This is for the passengers. Here's the part number. Alright. Also, yep, another big ass drink holder. Alright. Alright, so these armrests comes with the bracket for the big ass cup holder.
Yep.
So that's why you only bought just a single big ass cup holder.
Yep. There's the ball for it.
Yep, okay, yep. First things first is to take the old ones out. That goes right there, you gotta take out. Oop. Right there, you gotta take a screw out right here. Alright? Then it loosens this up. And then you try to get, I don't know if you can see, but there's another screw here that goes through the
holds the plate.
Holds the plate onto the backrest. The backrest part. So
well, that's just a little stubby. Okay.
Yep. So you take that piece off.
Yep. I don't want to tighten it all up yet, so. Can't see with the shit. That's the left one. So they just go up in like that, but this actually goes, first is I gotta feed this through just like that, okay? And then this goes just like this. Like that, and then you screw it. Mm-hmm. That's that.
That one's tight.
I won't tighten the rest of it down until I get the other one back in there.
Yep. One arm rest down.
There's a bolt that came out of there.
Number 2 on.
There's the washer for that.
Here's the...
For this, there's a washer.
A rubber grommet.
Yeah. Or a grommet.
Or whatever.
That you put up and it goes right there.
There's a little groove.
Yep, there's a little groove right there.
Yep. A little groove right there. There you go.
Okay, and you get 2 of the clothes if you don't want the...
2 of the plugs that's put in the hole.
Yep.
If you don't want to. So there's a little plug that you could just push in. Why don't you close it, so you know what it looks like when it's closed. You know, just says serial.
Now this one, you can't put this one on until you open this up. Because your nut's gonna go on the other side of the ball before you put it on. On the inside, right? No, like this.
Yep.
Like that. Okay.
Yep.
So this is supposed to just go in. Oh, like this. So it goes in like this. Only top side up.
Okay, top up.
Top
Alright.
up.
Yep.
And then it swivels down and it locks it in.
Oh, okay, there you go. Okay.
And then.
Yep, then you just pop that on and
You got the right
kind of a weird ball for that. Right there. Or goes right in the splits, huh?
Yep. So this one, so this is meant to move with the cup.
Yep. All right, so this ball has little notches on it that goes in the notches of the cup holder.
Yep.
Because then the cup holder doesn't pivot, the arm pivots. Yeah. Yep. And then all you gotta do, yeah, cool.
And it looks tipped because the bike's tipped.
Yep. All right. Goldstrike, big ass cup holder for the rear passenger armrest.
And before you.
Another thing my brother got is the rear trunk mat. Okay, go ahead.
I got the WingStuff version. It says WingStuff right on it, rather than the Honda one. It says Goldwing on it.
Yep.
The cost difference is about $30.
All right, got a WingStuff mat from WingStuff instead of the
actual Honda version.
instead of the Goldwing one.
Yep.
Saved himself
About $30.
$30.
And that's one of the reasons. See, it just tips.
Yep. And it just goes in there. Just sits in there, give it a little, so stuff's not clanking around and.
Yep. I do plan on, actually it fits amazingly well. I do plan on putting some Velcro.
Yep.
Maybe a piece here, just so to keep it down. I'm not entirely sure yet. We'll see how much it slides around. Right now it holds in pretty good because of this.
Yep. All right. All right, a couple, easy items, He put in the armrest from Goldstrike for his rear passenger. And he put in the Goldstrike rear passenger cup holder that goes with those armrests. And then he put in a mat from WingStuff for the back tour pack. So, end of that, quick and easy. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And I'll have all the links for them. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.